Alright everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, what I have for everyone is my full review of the CreaDream magnetic phone stand, or what I've affectionately come to call it, the CreaDream MagSafe phone stand. So I'm going to give you guys and gals my overall thoughts and opinions on this one, and let y'all know if this one is worth picking up. So if you're in the market for MagSafe accessories for your devices, maybe this is something that you're interested in looking at and interested in picking up. So hopefully this video helps you with that decision. I hope everyone finds this video helpful. If you do, you guys and gals know what to do. Now let's jump into today's full review. Now starting off here, let's talk about the overall build quality and design of this phone stand right here. Now build quality wise, this is built out of all aluminum, okay? And you have your magnetic portions with grippy texturized rubber plastic right here, okay? But the main unit of the phone stand is built out of aluminum, okay? The bottom portion has a nice painted aluminum finish. The main spine, all aluminum, aluminum caps with an adjustable Allen key to adjust it and tighten it, aluminum neck, good stuff there, nice aluminum mount plate on the back here, all aluminum design here, with nice matte rubber feet on the bottom. And I gotta tell y'all, in terms of the overall build quality on this one, it is top notch in my opinion. This phone stand kind of reminds me of this. This is one of my all-time favorite phone stands right here. Again, all aluminum build, nice solid rubberized texture portions, good stuff. So to find something similar to my favorite phone stand with MagSafe built in, oh, this is good stuff right here. But talking about the overall build quality, as I've said, it is top-notch in my opinion. And again, moving on, talking about the design, this phone stand is fully adjustable, fully rotatable, and fully collapsible. So like, I can collapse it and take it with me if I want to take it somewhere, and then when I'm ready to pop it out and use it, I could just pop it out and rock out, you know what I'm saying? And it's fully 360 degree rotatable, so that is really, really nice. So in terms of the design on this one, I have to say CreaDream have done a great job. Okay? Great job indeed. Okay? So again, similar to the design, the build quality, similar to the build quality, the design on this phone stand, in my opinion, is top notch. We already stumbling over our words today. Already. My bad. Let's move on. So now let's talk about some compatible devices, and this is where this phone stand did a great job and a not so great job. Alright, let me explain. So this phone stand, in terms of compatibility, is compatible with any MagSafe or magnetic phone device or case. So in particular, this is marketed as being compatible with the iPhone 12 series and onward, but they do have included magnetic rings here that you can put onto the back of your favorite cases, and that will pretty much make any device a magnetic or MagSafe device. But, and the reason why I say this is good and bad is because the included magnetic rings are really, really cheap, and the adhesive is not the best. And I was actually using this magnetic ring on my Pixel 6a on one of my other favorite cases, and it just fell off. You know, I used it for like a day and it just fell off. So this is definitely a downside for compatibility. I like what they were trying to do, make it universally compatible by including this, but you need better materials, okay? Alright, so in terms of compatibility, these additional third-party rings make it universally compatible, but CreaDream, y'all need to use better quality ones with better adhesive, okay? But other than that, now I did go out and pick up a MagSafe case for my Pixel 6a, and all of my other MagSafe cases and devices have worked on this no problem. Okay? And my iPhone 11, which I've gotten a ton of MagSafe devices and cases for, works on this no problems. So in terms of compatibility, for me, this phone stand works with everything that I use on a daily basis. So you can see there, iPhone 11, no problems. I could use it in portrait mode. I could use it in landscape mode, no problems, okay? And then same thing for my Pixel. If I pop this off here and we rest this off to the side, because I have this nice case here with MagSafe built in, drop it on, could use my Pixel the same way. Portrait mode, no problems. Landscape mode, no problems. Good stuff here indeed. And then all of my other devices with MagSafe or magnetic accessories can do the same thing, right? So indeed, if you have the right device or the right accessory, this phone stand is indeed universally compatible, all right? It just depends on what device you have. But you can also do what I did and go out and get some third-party magnetic rings and get some nice cases for your devices, and then you could just MagSafe all of your devices, okay? I'll link up some nice third-party magnetic rings that you can purchase and make all your devices MagSafe compatible down below in the video description. But in terms of compatibility, it is pretty much compatible with everything that I use on a daily basis. Okay? So overall compatibility in terms of devices, in my opinion, is top notch as well. Okay? Moving on now, let's talk about the overall durability of this phone stand. Now, I've been using this for a really long time, okay? Almost a month, and it has been holding up phenomenally. Now, I haven't dropped it, okay? But I've collapsed it and opened it multiple times. I've taken it multiple places, and this phone stand here is something that I use every day on a daily basis, right? So in terms of the overall durability, in my opinion, I feel as though the durability on this one is top notch, okay? Top notch indeed. Now, moving on now, I just want to briefly summarize the positives and the negatives of this phone stand. Then we're going to talk about the overall pricing and the availability. Then I'm going to share my final thoughts and make an overall recommendation. So if you watch no other part of this full review and you're interested in this product, as long as you watch these next two categories, you should get a really good overall general idea as to how I feel about this phone stand right here. That being said, I am not perfect and I never claim to be. So if you guys and gals go out there and pick this phone stand up and you experience a positive that I did not mention in this video and or a negative that I did not mention in this video, please leave that feedback down below in the comments. Only through providing our feedback can we get overall improvements on the products that we spend our hard-earned money on. Okay? Okay, so real quick disclaimer there. Now, what I am also going to do is I'm also going to throw up a full list of my positives that I've experienced with this phone stand and my negatives that I've experienced with this phone stand as well in post. Please feel free to pause the video wherever you see the list that you're interested in if you'd like to know more. All right? All right, disclaimers out of the way. Let's dive into this next category now. Let's go. So let's start off with the positives. So overall, when we talk about the positives, and this is basically just a summarization of everything that I've talked about throughout this video, the overall build quality and design of this phone stand is top notch. The overall device compatibility of this phone stand is top notch. The overall durability of this phone stand is top notch as well. And this phone stand is actually available for a really great price. That pretty much summarizes all the positives. Okay? Now, let's flip the coin on that. Let's flip the script and talk about the negatives of this phone stand. And really, there are only two that I came across. And negative number one, something that I already mentioned to you guys and gals, the included magnetic rings. They definitely need some improvements. This one just fell off, and the adhesive on here is not the best. Okay, so they're included at accessories, definitely need some improvements. And then negative number two is this 360 degree rotatable mechanism. Okay, now I'm all for having this, but I feel as though if you're gonna have a 360 degree rotatable mechanism, you could just make it the overall neck right here. So this would have been better if this part rotated instead of this part rotating, because a lot of the time I put my device down, and then when I put it down, it slightly moves it off center, and then I have to adjust it, and then sometimes when I adjust it, it's still off center, and then I'm stuck spending extra time readjusting it. Like, okay, is it centered now? Is it centered now? Is it centered now? And then finally I get it. So I kind of wish that this portion down here at the bottom wasn't 360 degree rotatable. If you wanted to make a part of this stand rotatable, you could have just made the main neck part right here rotatable. Okay, so in terms of negatives, this 360 degree rotation, in my opinion, is a negative. Or they could have just left it like this, because you can flip it either way, and that basically makes it fully adjustable. Okay, so whether you want to rock it this way, like this, or you want to flip it around and show somebody like that, that pretty much makes it fully adjustable. So you really didn't need this 360 degree rotation, in my opinion. So that's the only other negative that I've come across with this MagSafe phone stand, in my opinion. Okay, and that, guys and gals, summarizes the positives and the negatives of this phone stand. So now let's get into the final part of this review. Let's talk pricing. Let's talk overall availability. Let me get into sharing my final thoughts and make a recommendation. Now, in terms of the pricing, in full disclosure, again, this was another product that came into the channel thanks in large part to the Amazon Vine program. So what does that mean? This is another product that came into the channel completely free of charge. All I had to do was use the product and write up a full written review on the product as to how I feel about it, and then this product was mine to keep. Now, as I always say, that in no way, shape, form, or fashion influences my overall opinions on these products that I get in from the Vine program. I reserve the right to keep it straight 100 around here. That being said, I still did do my due diligence, and I scoured the internet, and I found the overall available pricing for this product right here. Now, in terms of the available pricing, this particular magnetic phone stand or MagSafe phone stand is available for about $15.99. So basically 16 bucks. Okay? And as of the recording of this video, which is July 26th, July 24th, this phone stand is actually available with a 8% off coupon if you get it from Amazon. Okay, so that drops the price from 16 to a little bit cheaper. But that being said, even without the coupon, can I recommend that you guys and gals go out there and pick up this MagSafe phone stand for yourself if you're in the market for one? Well, I would have to say yes. If the negatives that I pointed out in this video are not deal breakers for you guys and gals, I really do feel as though this phone stand is a really solid overall product, and I really have no problems recommending it. Is it perfect? No, not by any means. Does it need some improvements? Yes, in a few areas. But overall, I do feel as though CreaDream did come out with a really nice, solid overall product, And as I said, I have no problems recommending that you guys and gals go out there and pick this one up if you're in the market for a magnetic or MagSafe phone stand for yourself. Okay, so that, guys and gals, does it for today's video. I hope you guys and gals enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. If you did, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. If you guys and gals would like to know where you can pick up any product or devices featured in today's video, I'll have all the affiliated links for all the products and devices featured in today's video linked up down below in the video description. And as the name implies, if you make your purchase using those affiliate links, I do get a small percentage of commission that I put back into the channel at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So those affiliate buy links, in my opinion, are like a win-win for everyone. That being said, if you guys and gals would like to see any more of my coverage on this magnetic phone stand or MagSafe phone stand or any other MagSafe products that I've covered on the channel, including iPhones or other iPhone accessories, I'll link up all of my extended MagSafe coverage down below in the video description as well. So the video description will truly be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Today's video has been recorded with the rear-facing primary camera on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. It has been recorded in 1080p at 30 FPS with no external microphone hooked up. And I am using my professional studio lights again here today. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality, the overall audio quality, and the overall lighting down below in the comments. And as always, please make sure your feedback is respectful, okay? That being said, I hope everyone is having a great day. I hope you guys and gals are having... I hope everyone is having a great day. I hope you guys and gals are being safe out there. And I will catch everyone in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace. I almost made it through without making a big mistake. And of course, right at the end there, we fumbled the bag. Have a good one, everybody. I'll catch you guys and gals in the next one. We're out of here. Peace.